welcome to the fifth session of Game Lab Quiz. Hope you all are doing well, and I'm also good. And today we had a delay; we were not able to conduct the quiz on Wednesday, so we have it today on Thursday. So let us see कि comment section में कौन-कौन है, and then we'll proceed for our quiz. Okay. So I can see Arush, Shaurya, Adiraj, Ananya, Anvesha, Mew, Saga, and Athar, Kingshuk again. Okay, so Sana, hi Sana, good vibes. Okay, I can see Athar, Cosmos of Melodies, Divyanshi, and there are so many people. Shubhangi, hi, I'm good. And everybody who are asking me that, ma'am, you are good or not? Yes, I'm good. And thank you, everyone. So, who's excited for the quiz today? So Deveej is excited. And who's fun zone? Okay, so now we have, okay. So Atharv, I am good. So let me share my screen. Hello, Avika. You are new to Game Lab and you didn't see my project. Okay, yes, I have been inactive on Discord lately. I'm really sorry for that. I'll just try to respond to you guys as much as possible. See, I promise that by tomorrow night, almost all of your replies will be seen. Okay, so please don't worry regarding Discord. Lately, I have been quite busy, and that's why I was inactive there. Okay, but we are checking your assignments all, and we'll have a session of star performer this weekend. So let us start the quiz. I'm gonna share my screen. So hi Adiraj, good vibes. Hmm. Okay, please say the timetable again. See, the timetable is that every Monday we'll have a class, and since we have had a lot of classes, we'll see. Okay, and on Wednesday we'll have a quiz, and we'll have a star performer session on some weekends. Okay, not every weekends, I suppose. So I'm gonna share my screen and tell you guys regarding the quiz. Okay. So good evening, Akshita. But first, let me share my screen. Okay. So share screen. Okay. Yes. So as you guys can see my screen, this is the code. I'm gonna give this code to you guys in the chat section too. Okay. So I have given the code and you can see it here. Okay. This is my screen and this is the code. For those who are new, go to joinmyquiz.com and enter this quiz code 298693. Okay. Hello, Afia. I am good. Okay, ma'am, which site you have to open, Deepika? You have to open joinmyquiz.com. Okay, go to joinmyquiz.com and enter this code 298693. Okay. Devashi, again, I'm repeating the code is 298693. I can't see the participants, so just let me refresh the screen. So I'm good, Samriddhi. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm also excited for the quiz. Okay, so I can see participants joining here. So here there are only 29 participants right now. So Afia has joined, Avika has joined. Please don't chat, don't fight in the chat section. Okay. So Nabunita, hi Nabunita. How many classes do we have in 1 week? You won't have a class on Friday. You'll only have a class on Monday. Okay. So I can see a lot of you coming. Okay, Akshita, Ayush, Nilesh. Okay, we have got 39 participants. I'll wait for 2 or 3 more minutes and then we'll start off with our quiz. Okay, so hi Advaya Kumar. Hello Ria. So I'll wait for 1 or 2 more minutes and then we'll start off with the quiz. And regarding the quiz, आज मैंने questions थोड़े अच्छे बनाए. Okay, so level आज के quiz का थोड़ा अच्छा है. So please read the questions carefully. Starting के आपको easy मिलेंगे काफी questions. लेकिन but when we'll proceed towards the end of the quiz, then you'll find some really good questions. Okay, and they are all related to text-based programming. ओके, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बहुत मेहनत करके पढ़ाया था उस सेशन में. ओके, सो आई वांट यू गाइस टू perform very well. Okay, so Mrigank, Abir, Suhani, everyone's here. Hi Manasvi. Someone joined with junior coding. Yeah, it was me. Okay, so that was me. Don't worry, Samriddhi. Oh, you know all answers. Super, Athar. Let's see. Okay, so Kaushtab and Deepet Koda. I'm gonna wait for 1 or 2 more minutes and then we'll start off with our quiz. Okay, so I'm gonna kick this person off, HJBK, because you are allowed to participate in the quiz only if you have a decent name. You can't keep any name like ABCD or Iron Man and something like that. Why frequency is decreased, Shiban Khan? Okay, there's a reason why the frequency has been reduced. Okay, so it's just like that. So, hi Kanishka, welcome to CBJR family. You can find all the videos in the description below. You can find the playlists and the details of all courses. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Okay, so let us start the quiz. I guess we won't have any more participants, and today we have very less participants. Probably because हमने Wednesday नहीं Thursday को shift कर दिया quiz. So I'm gonna start the game. Are you guys ready? So hope you guys are ready. So start the quiz. Statement 1. In game lab, we can do both. Okay, so moving on to the next question. When you want the same code or block to execute multiple times, you use the concept of, this is very easy. And I have told you in the last class only. Okay, we had the last class for this. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Question number 3. Hi, Ria. So what does the block sprite.destroy do? This is a question from the previous quiz. So hope you know the answer. इस बार I want कि maximum participants सही perform करें, okay? So we are not interested in the leaderboard. Let us move on to the next question. That is question number 4. Okay. So what does this block do? Please read the options carefully and then select. Okay. What does this block do? I'm probably they are not talking about the specific color. Please read the instructions carefully. Options carefully. Anjali, I'm not able to understand what you are saying. Download what? So next question. Okay, so question number 5 now. So predict the output for the following code, you have been given this code. See, as you can see on my screen, first we have created a sprite, set its animation, but in the draw loop, there might be some twist. Okay, so please after read the code first and then select the most appropriate correct answer. So the time is up. ये question number 5 एक अच्छा question था. So let us move on to the next question and we'll have a quick discussion too. Okay, so इस code का you have to predict the output. Okay, please read this condition carefully. Okay, 9 by 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, and then you have to check the condition in the if block and select the most appropriate correct answer. Okay, most appropriate answer. So I hope you guys are liking these questions. Hi, Nivedita. So will you see some sprite shape object in your play area after writing this code? See, please have a look at the code carefully. ये सारे concepts हमने class में discuss किए हैं. Okay, and then only I give you this question. ऐसा एक भी question नहीं होगा जो मैंने class में discuss नहीं किया. Also, we have got the options too here. So the time's up. So moving on to the next question. So you need to find the error in this code. See, please have a look at this carefully. Regarding the brackets, where we have placed the semicolon, the curly brackets, okay? Hello, Priyansi, Parinita. Welcome to Coding Vlogs Junior family. So moving on to the next question, okay? Again, this ये बहुत ही similar question है, but please read the two statements carefully. A variable name can have alphabets and numbers only, and statement 2 is wall space paper is a correct variable name. Shiban, this was, see, the format is same, but same question नहीं होगा. I bet कि हर quiz में अलग question है. Okay, so moving on to the very last question. Hi Arna. So what this statement will do to your sprite? Please, I told this to you in the class. Okay. Sprite.visible equals -5. Okay, so the quiz is over. And now let us move on to the leaderboard and see. Anjali, please don't spam in the chat section. What do you need to download? Okay, please tell. Ma'am, 10th is wrong. We'll see. Okay, we'll see, Shwarit. Okay, so see, Junior Blocks has done nothing. That is me. Okay. Difficult question. See, आज का मैंने आपको बताया था. Okay, see, if I scroll down and see the leaderboard. Okay, so who's the first? Suhani, always like always. Okay, Suhani, Akshita Garg, Arnav Tyagi, Sana. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Sana is here on the top. We have Adya, Avika Tandon, Arush Prajapati, Anvesha, Navya, Rishika, Samriddhi, Nabonita, Arav. I'm so happy I am seeing new fresh names. Congratulations all Dhruv, Tejasvi, Nilesh, Abir Khosla, Ayush, Ananya, Kingshuk, Sakshi, Shiban, Atharv, Maria, Shwarit Mahapatra, Jaireen, Akshadgar, Kushagra, Kaushtab, Afia, Advaya. Okay, so Shivam, आपकी rank है 0. Okay, because you didn't participate in the quiz. So Mrigank, Rose, Manasvi. So everybody, congratulations for your ranks. Okay, so let us have a quick review of the questions. Okay. So yes, Arna, see, we'll look up to this, though they have won the quiz, but I'll discuss it with the team because they have won for more than 2 or 3 times. Okay, so I'll discuss, though their names will be there in the top, top quiz performers, but I will, declare fresh. Okay, I'll declare fresh quiz performers, those who have not won more than, see, those who have won more than 3 times. I won't take their names. Okay, because you can't win all the time. Okay. Please count Suhani. Yeah, I know. They are okay. So congratulations, Suhani and Arnav, for consistently being the top quiz performers. This is also an achievement. So let us quickly. Okay, that's okay. Okay. So see, now statement number one. We'll have a quick review of the questions, and then Vasundhara ma'am ki class hai, so I'll just wrap up the quiz. So statement one says in Game Lab we can do block programming, and statement two says in Game Lab we can create projects using JavaScript. Okay. So see, yes, we can do a block programming in Game Lab as well as we can create projects using JavaScript. So both statement one and two are correct. Okay. So option C is correct. So moving on to second question. So when you want the same code or block to execute multiple times, you use the concept of debugging? No. I guess debugging is the concept of fixing your errors. Okay. And sequencing, what is sequencing? Sequencing means blocks get executed from top to bottom. Okay. So if you want to repeat, that is looping. Okay. So wow, Fun Zone, that is a huge achievement, I must say. Very good. Very good. So wait, I'll see. Okay. So now moving on to the next question. So yeah, what does the block sprite dot destroy do? ये last quiz में भी question था. Okay. क्या ये sprites को invisible कर देता है? No, it does not make sprites invisible. It removes the sprite from your project. Yes, it does the same, but it changes the location of your sprite and moves it out of the play area. No. Okay, no. ये गलत है. And nothing. No. अगर इसे कुछ नहीं करना होता तो then why this is in Game Lab? Okay. So, oh, Avika, well done. Avika, well done. Okay. So, Ananya, that's okay. Okay. So, what does this block do? Clearly, we all know. Does it create a background sprite? No. Yes, it sets the background to a specific color. Okay. And nothing ka to sawal hi nahi hota. So, moving on to the next one. Okay. So, if you think this quiz was easy, so, okay, that's good. So now predict the output of the following code. See, यहाँ पर कितने लोगों ने, see, I can see a maximum of you have selected this, create a sprite on a black background. See, as I told you, as I have told you in the previous sections or previous classes, okay, if you, because of sequencing, see, पहले क्या हो रहा है? पहले it is drawing the sprites and then उसके ऊपर it is setting the background color to black. So क्या होगा? आपके sprites overlap हो जाएंगे and you can see only a black background. Okay. So this is because of sequencing. यहाँ पर ये twist था इस question में. So moving on to the next question. Predict the output of the following code. इसमें मैंने आपको बहुत बड़ा hint दे दिया. मैंने divide करके ही बता दिया था 3. Okay. So if I ask, is 3 less than 3? So of course the answer is no. 3 is equal to 3. 3 is neither greater than nor less than 3 itself. Okay, right? A number is obviously equal to itself. वो खुद से बड़ा या छोटा तो नहीं हो सकता. Okay, that means what? ये if condition गलत है, so हमारी else वाली condition true होगी. यानी कि हमारी sprite का x position 200 हो जाएगा. That is sprite will be at x equals 200. But I'm glad that 35 players have selected this. Okay. So Suhani is saying, okay, Suhani, I'll just calculate this. If you have won 2 times, okay, then we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Okay. So see, will you see some sprite or shape or object in your play area after writing this code? So see, I have told you in the previous classes, yes, एक छोटा सा gray color का square it will be created, okay, and you can क्योंकि हमने उसका animation set नहीं किया है, so by default they create a छोटा सा gray color का square in your play area, okay. So no way is wrong and yes is correct, okay. So यहाँ पर this was the twist in this question. Okay, please don't fight in the chat section. I'll declare the the winners. Don't worry. After some time. So find the error in the code. If world dot seconds after bracket double equals 3 sprite dot destroy. So let us read the options. Instead of double equals to, only one equals to should be used. No. See, double equals to is the correct one. Why? Because this is the equality comparator operator. Okay, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि दो चीजें अगर equal होती हैं then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay, so the if condition is written incorrectly. Yes, of course this option is correct. Why? क्योंकि ये जो जो इक्वालिटी कंपेरेटर ऑपरेटर है वो हमारे राउंड ब्रेसेस के बाहर है. ओके, सो स्प्राइट डॉट डिस्ट्रॉय शुड बी गिवन अ वैल्यू 1. नो, इससे तो हम कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं देते. ओके, वी जस्ट राइट स्प्राइट डॉट डिस्ट्रॉय. ओके, द कोड इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. नो, दिस ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग. So moving on to the next question. Yes, Rose, don't worry. Okay. Sana, don't worry. Okay, I'll declare the top quiz winners. Don't worry. Okay. So statement 1 says variable names can have alphabets and numbers only. Okay, and statement 2 says wall space paper is a correct variable name. See, statement 1 says alphabets and numbers only. That means what? No. Underscore भी हो सकता है variable name में. So statement 1 is wrong. Okay, and statement 2, wall space paper is a correct variable name. No, we cannot have space in a variable name. That means what? Both are wrong. Okay, so though इस type का question हर quiz में होता है, still you see how many have done wrong. See how many of you have done wrong. Only 7 players were correct. Okay, so that is why I place this question in almost every quiz by making small changes. Okay, because it is very important. So what this statement will do to your sprite, I am interested in this response. So make my sprites visible. Oh, see, a lot of you have given give error. Okay, and a lot of you say make my sprite invisible. No, I have told you in the class only the value 0 means it will be invisible, except for that if you give any positive number like 1 2 3 to infinite or -1 -2 -3, it will be counted as true. Okay, so sprite dot visible equals -5 means it will be visible. Okay, so this was all for our review questions. I'll declare the quiz winners on Discord sooner or later. Okay, congratulations to the quiz winners and everybody who participated. अभी वसुंधरा मैम की क्लास है. Hope you guys enjoyed this quiz session. आज का थोड़ा अच्छा था. Okay, to brush up your concepts, you must have learned a lot. Okay, so till the next time we meet, goodbye everybody. I had a lot of fun. Okay, so see you on Monday. हम अपना स्पेस वॉर्स वाला प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, सो गुड बाय एवरीबॉडी.